morning children, welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, here we are going to start the new lesson today in unit 9. Yes children, in unit 9 we are going to start the new lesson today, that is Johnny gets a straw hat. So you all can open page number 28 in your textbook. In your textbook you all can open page number 28 and the lesson number 9, that is Johnny. This is the name of a boy, yes, but in this they have given this name for the horse. Yes, Johnny gets a straw hat. This is the name of the lesson children. So here this is the story of a girl. The girl, and the name of that girl is what children? Anita. So what this girl used to do, she was very fond of the toys. Toys, art ke saman. Yes, toys means what? Art ke saman. So this girl was very much fond of the toys. Then she was very much attached with the horse. She had one toy horse, one big, this much big. One toy horse she was having. So what she did, she should always play with that toy only. She should always be, whole day and night, she used to be with that toy only. Then she had given a name for that toy. And what was the name? The name of that toy was what? Johnny. What was the name of that toy? Johnny. The name of that toy was Johnny. So here, for that they have given the lesson name, Johnny gets a straw hat. Yes. Straw is what children? What is straw here? When you go to Goa, you find the round hats. It's sort of big one you wear, round hats. So in that there will be a design. How you have that this when you want to sit or mats in your room, you have a mats. So the mats will be having the thin layer. Yes or no? They are connected with each other to form a mat. Chapigalu haktarnilla maneli. Yes. With help of such type of thing only they prepare the hats also. But this will be little bit colorish and that will be totally white in color without any finishing. But the hat is prepared very well. It looks very good, fine design. It will be having a very fine design. So that is called as a straw. Yes. This is the story of a little girl called Anita and her toy horse called Tony. Yes. Here there is a little girl. The name of that girl is what? Anita. And she had a toy horse and she named that horse Johnny. What she named? Johnny. Yes. So here we are going to start this lesson now. I will just write, and the difficult words I will write on the board. The same words should be underlined in your textbook children. So please have a pencil in your hand. First standard students na? Yes or no? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಠಿಣ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಬರೀತೇನಲ್ಲ, those words you have to underline. Underline ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪದನ ನೀವು ಘೇರಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Underline. You have to underline that word. Okay children? Yes. Now I will not explain more in Kannada. Okay? Anita and Johnny were inseparable. They were always together. They ate together. They slept together, and they even stopped together. Yes. So see, there was a girl, and the name of that girl was what? Anita. Anita is the name of a girl or a boy? Girl. Yes or no? Yes. Girl. Yes. What was the name, children? Anita. Anita was the name of the girl. You can underline this word in your textbook at the beginning of the sentence, the first word. Yes. Anita and Johnny. One more name is there. The name is what here? Johnny. The name is Johnny. So, they were inseparable. Inseparable means what? No one would tell, no one would separate them. Avaru yaru bere madakagtidilla. The girl Anita, she was liking that toy too much that she was always holding that toy in her hand only. Wherever she goes, whatever she does, but that toy would be with her only, together. Whatever work is given to her, she used to take that toy only and she used to do the work. So they were inseparable. They were not separated. Okay. They were always together. The toy and Anita, they were always together. They were always together. Together andre always, wherever they go, both of them they used to go together only. They were not separated. Yes. They ate together, they slept together, they even stopped together. See, what they too attached. Anita was too attached with that toy. So whenever she used to eat food also, she used to take that toy horse Johnny and she used to eat the food. Whenever she used to sleep also, she used to take that toy horse Johnny and she used to sleep. Whenever they stopped doing anything, that time also she used to take that toy horse Johnny and she used to stop doing the work. So each and every work, whatever Anita was doing, she was always together with that toy. She was always together with that toy. She don't want to leave that toy and do anything. The toy was very much attached to her. So the poet is saying here that Anita and Johnny, the toy horse, the name of the toy horse is what here? Johnny. They were inseparable. They can't be separated. ಅವರನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸಪ್ರೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಕೂಡಿರೋದು. ದೇ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್, Johnny and Anita, both of them, they used to be together only. Yes. Whenever Anita wanted anything, she would say, Johnny wants chocolate. So here, Anita, whenever she wanted something, then what she used to say? That Anita wants ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Yes. Then here the next is what here? Whenever Anita wanted anything, she used to say that Johnny wants chocolate. See, toys can speak, children. Yes. Have you seen the toys speaking? I will show you the image here. Yes. So now here you can see, children, this is the girl. See, this is the girl and the name of this girl is what? Anita. And this is the horse, toy horse, aatke saman. So the toy horse was named as what? Johnny. What it was named? Johnny. This horse was named Johnny. See here, chocolates, book, and then sleeping. Whatever she used to do, she used to always take this toy horse Johnny and she used to do her work, children. Yes, you can see here very clearly it is mentioned in this picture. So Anita was very much fond of Johnny. So always she used to be with Johnny only. Whenever Anita want anything, she used to say, Johnny wants chocolates. Children, you people are small kids. Yes or no? So you people are fond of chocolates, chips, kurkures. Yes or no? These all small things you like more. Ice creams. Yes. So same way, Anita also, she too was a small child only. She was not that big girl. She was also like you people in first standard when she was a small baby. Yes or no? So then what she used to like? She used to like chocolates more. But when she was in need of chocolate, she used to tell her parents that Johnny wants chocolates. So you all can underline the word chocolates. Chocolates. Yes. Chocolates. You have to underline the word chocolates. Chocolate means you eat the chocolates, the children, every day. Dairy Milk, 5-star, Kit Kat, Perk, Silk. See, so many are there. Yes or no? Eclairs. You eat all the different types of chocolate. Yes or no? Same way, she used to say to her father when she wants something, avalige bekadaga, she used to tell the name of the horse that Johnny wants chocolates. Yes. Or Johnny wants to go to the park. When she wants to go to play with her friends in the park, then she used to tell her parents, Johnny wants to play in the park. If she did not want to do anything, she would say, Johnny does not want to study. When she was not having any mood to write, to read or to do some work, then she used to say, Johnny does not want to study. What she used to say? Johnny does not want to study. Or Johnny does not want to sleep just now. Then she used to say, when parents say, it is too late, how long you are playing, now go to the bed. Then she used to tell her parents, Johnny does not want to sleep. You don't want to sleep now only, he will sleep later. While she don't want to sleep, but she used to tell the parents that Johnny don't want to sleep. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆಟಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರ್ತದ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾರ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಲು, ಜಾನಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾನಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು. ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟಾಯ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು intimate her parents that Johnny wants to go to the park to play. Johnny wants to eat the chocolate. Johnny does not want to study, or Johnny does not want to sleep just now. Everything, whatever the thing is intimated to her, she used to tell the parents that Johnny does not want to do. Johnny does not want to do this. Johnny does not want to do that. Johnny does not want to study. Johnny wants to eat chocolate. Johnny wants to go for play. Johnny wants to sleep now. So everything she used to tell the name of the toy horse, that is Johnny. So here once again I read these two stanzas, children. The words mentioned on the board should be marked in your textbook. One more word you write here, that is park, and then study. Sorry. Anita and Johnny were inseparable. They were always together. They ate together. They slept together. They even stopped together. Whenever Anita wanted anything, she would say, Johnny wants a chocolate, or Johnny wants to go to the park. If she did not want to do anything, she would say, Johnny does not want to do study, or Johnny does not want to sleep just now. Yes, these two stanzas I have completed, children. Now the next part. In these two stanzas we studied, there is one girl and the name of that girl is Anita, and she had a toy horse. She was loving that toy horse more, and she had named that toy horse Johnny. And wherever she used to go, she used to take that toy horse with her together. Both of them, they used to go together while eating, while sleeping, while playing, while stopping. Every time the toy horse Johnny was with whom? With whom? With Anita. Yes. And when she wants something to eat, chocolate, or when she wants to go outside to play, or when she is not having any mood of studies, then she used to tell the name of the horse, the toy horse, that I want a chocolate to eat, I want to go outside to play in the park, I don't want to study, I am not in mood, reading, writing, I am not in mood today. Or when parents will tell you go and sleep, she says no, I don't want to sleep now only, I am not sleepy. But she used to tell the name of the toy horse, that Johnny wants chocolate, Johnny wants to go outside to play, Johnny don't wants to study. Animals will study, children? No. Playthings will study? Bat, ball they will study? No, because they are man-made things. Yes or no? They are not living things, they are man-made things. But she used to always say the name of the toy horse, that is Johnny. One day Anita's parents had to go out of town for some work. They would be gone for a week. They would not leave Anita alone at home. They decided to leave her at her grandma's place. So, one day what happened, children? Anita's parents means who? Parents andre yaru? Mummy, Papa. Yes or no? You people also have mummy, papa, na? Yes. So, one day Anita's parents, whose parents? Anita's parents had to go out of town for some work. They had some work and they wanted to go out for some work, and then they would be gone for a week. How many days they wanted to go? They wanted to go for a week. One vara. Week andre one vara. Yes. They wanted to go outside of the town for 1 week. Town andre bere urige, sanna urige. Yes. They wanted to go from here. How you people go? Ingalgi, Bargi, Yadwad, Jamkandi, Bijapur, Rapkavi. You travel. Banati. Yes or no? You go or no? Rugi. You say. See, so many places I said. You all visit the children? Yes. Same like that way only. Even Anita's parents also, they wanted to go outside for 1 week. They wanted to go outside for a week, means that is 1 week. They would be gone for a week also. They can't say, it might be 1 week work also for them in the town. They would not leave Anita alone at home. And they were thinking, Anita is so small girl, how they should leave her alone in the home? When your mummy papa will go, you people will stay alone. You people are also first standard students, na? Yes or no? Mummy papa hodmele obbre irtiri maneyalli? No. You don't leave. Yes or no? Mummy papa will take you and leave in your auntie's house, mama's house, or with your ajji, like your grandma, grandpa, your aunts, your uncles, your nephew. Go and stay with your relation people, but you don't stay alone in the house, because the house is very big and you are very small and you are afraid to stay alone. Yes or no? So, Anita's parents, they would not leave Anita alone at home. They don't wanted to leave her alone at home. Then what they decided? They decided to leave her at the grandma's place. Yes, grandma's. Grandma's place. They wanted to leave Anita with her grandma. For whom we call grandma, children? Grandma yari karitivi? Ajji. Yes or no? Mummy papa na mummy papa irtalla aur mummy papa ge enta karitiri ajja ajji anta karitiri. Grandparents. Yes, mama's parents also you call grandparents, papa's parents also you call grandparents. So mummy and papa, Anita's mummy and papa, they decide andre vichara, they decided to leave Anita with her grandma. Yes, they decided to leave Anita with her grandma. Yes. Once again I will read this stanza. One day Anita's parents had to go out of the town for some work. They wanted to go out for some work. Yes, they would be gone for a week. How long they wanted to go, children? They wanted to go for 1 week. 1 vara hogಬೇಕಂತ decide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Yes. They would not leave Anita alone at home. They don't wanted to leave Anita alone at home because Anita was a small girl. Yes or no? So what they did? they decided to leave her at her grandma's place. So what they thought? Where to leave Anita? They wanted to leave Anita in her grandma's place. That means in her grandma's house. Yes. Johnny does not want to go, Anita said. Anita is not interested to go to grandma's place. But she is telling the name of the toy horse, Johnny. What? Johnny does not want to go, Anita said. Who said this word? Anita said. Johnny does not want to go. The next. What they have such a beautiful cottage next to the beach. Then the mother will say, why are you saying no? Why you don't want to go there? Beside the beach only, your grandma is having a house. And that is a very good cottage. What they call? But they have a such beautiful cottage next to the beach. Cottage. Cottage and beautiful. And where was it? On the beach, children. Yes. Beautiful means what? Chanda. Yes. Very good looking. We call beautiful. Cottage. You people have fields. You people have farms. You build a small house in the farm, na? With the help of the woods and all. That is called a cottage. Yes or no? Same like that way only. Even Anita's grandma also, she used to stay near the beach. Beach where there is more sea water, more sand will be there. Yes or no? And the color of the water looks totally blue in color. From far when we see the water looks totally blue color. Samudra ya color kantada neeru? Blue color. Yes or no? So the grandma used to stay near the beach. And in front of the house only there was a big beach and lots of sand was there fallen. Yes? Lots of sand was fallen there near the beach. And they had built a cottage in front of the beach only. You will love it then. Then the mother will say, why are you saying no? You will like that place because there is a big beach. There is a blue water and even there is lots of sand. You can play with your Johnny in front of the house only. Then she will tell, why you will love there. When you go there, you will like that place very much. First you come with us. Then you can make new friends with the children on the beach. Her mother tried to tell her. Then the mother will tell. The mother was telling her, you can have a very good friends. Many people will come there in the beach to visit the beach, to see the beach. Then you can have a good friends. You can make good friends. Wherever you go, when some children you play together, then you become friends na children. You ask their name, they will ask your name. Then you shake your hands. Then you say, I am Anita, I am Reshma. Then you become friends. Yes or no? So the mother tried. The mother was telling Anita, if you go there, there is a very big beach and then there is a beautiful cottage of your grandma. When you play in the sand, many people will come there. You can have good friends also. Anita had never seen the sea before, but she still did not want to go. Yes. But Anita, before she had not seen the sea, Samudra ne nodilla avಳು. Sea means what? Samudra. Yes. She had not seen the sea before. But still she was saying, I don't want to go. Who was saying? Anita. Anita was saying, I don't want to go. I don't like that sea. I don't want to go there. Then what happened? Early on Sunday morning, Anita sat in the back of the car with Johnny. Then next day, it was Saturday. What it was? Saturday. Early in the morning, the day was what? Saturday. Name of the day, yes, capital children. It was Saturday children and it was the morning time. Morning is what? ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ, morning time, early in the morning, and the day was Saturday. Anita sat in the back of the car with Johnny. Then Anita, she got ready, and then early in the morning, it was Saturday, they had a car with them. Yes, even you people go in the car, no children? Yes or no? Yes, same like that only. Anita also, they had a car. Then she got dressed up very nicely, neatly, and she went and sat in the car at the back seat with Johnny, the toy horse. She took that toy horse Johnny and she went and sat in the car at the back seat of the car. Mummy and Papa sat in the front. Then what happened? Mummy and Papa. She was going with Mummy and Papa in the car. Yes or no? Then Mummy and Papa also, both of them, they sat in the front seat of the car, and here Anita, she was sitting at the back seat of the car with the toy horse Johnny. Anita's little suitcase was put in the boot. Boot with dicky. Yes or no? They had kept her suitcase. Suitcase means what, children? What is suitcase? Suitcase. What is suitcase? Suitcase. Underline these words, children. Whatever I have written on the board, take the help of your parents. She had a suitcase. She took a small suitcase and then she packed all her dress in the suitcase and she had given to her parents. And her suitcase was kept in the boot. Boot means you have a dicky for your car. Yes, it was kept there. The day was bright and sunny and the cool breeze was blowing. How the day was? The day was very bright. The day was very bright and the cool breeze was blowing. The cool tampa gali beesta ittu. Sunny means it was very hot. It was very hot. But the cool breeze was blowing. Why? Because they were in front of the sea. Yes. But Anita was still not happy. She soon went off to sleep with Johnny sleeping beside her. Yes. Then what happened? She was sitting in the car and she was not happy to go to the grandma's house. Then she sat in the car. Then soon, Anita was not happy. She soon went to sleep. As she was sitting in the car, she started sleeping. She went to sleep with the toy horse beside her. Even the horse was also sleeping. She soon went off to sleep with Johnny sleeping beside her. She went to sleep beside Johnny, beside sleeping her. Even Johnny, the toy horse, also was sleeping beside her in the car. It was evening by the time they reached the beach close to Grandma's house. Then what happened? At the evening time, when you are traveling from one place to the another place, max to max, you need some time to reach the place, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. If it is very far, 4 hour, 5 hours you need. Yes or no? Same, they had left early in the morning and by the evening they reached to the grandma's house near to the beach. Where was the grandma's house? The grandma's house was near to the beach only. Yes, by the evening. When they reached? By the evening. They reached to the grandma's house by the evening. As Anita and Johnny got down from the car, they saw a lot of sand and blue water. Yes. As Anita and Johnny got down from the car, then when they reached the place, they got down from the car. They get up from the car. When you go somewhere in the car, when you want to go for a hotel for dinner or a lunch, yes, then when the hotel comes, what do? You people get down. Why? Because you want to eat nice, delicious dishes. Yes or no? Yes. Same like that only. When Anita her parents, when they took her in the car, and when she reached the place to her grandma's house near the beach, then she got down from the car. And as soon as she got down from the car, she saw the lots of sand and blue water. What she saw? Sand and then maralu kusu. And then water. What was the color of the water, children? Blue water. The sea water color is always blue. The sea water color is what? Always blue. Yes. Then as soon as she got down from the car, she saw the sand and the blue water. Anita was seeing all this for the first time. She liked it. When she saw the water and the sand, then she was seeing everything that was very new for her. Antara bada ಹೊಸದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅವಳಿಗೆ. When you go in the water, for the water park and all, how you people enjoy? You don't want to come. Once you get down in the water, you people don't want to come outside. Why? Because you want to play in the water for the whole day. So same like that only, when Anita, she saw the blue water and the sand, she felt very happy. And that was the first time that she saw each and everything. Yes. She liked it. Then when she saw the sand, lots of sand was there in front of the cottage. And the blue water was moving. The blue water was flowing. Then seeing that, she was very much happy. The waves were turning like anything in the sea. Yes. Then she liked that place very much. Then she saw Grandma and Grandpa walking slowly towards them. Then when she turned across, then there she saw the Grandma and Grandpa walking towards them. That means who all were there? Anita and her mom and pa. All three were there. So when she turned back suddenly, then she saw her grandpa and grandma. They were walking slowly towards her. They were walking very slowly towards her. Grandpa was carrying ice candies for everyone. They were wearing straw hats. Yes. What grandpa was having in their hand, children? Ice candies. Ice candies. And what they were wearing? They were wearing straw hats. They were wearing straw hats. For everyone, for all three of them, the grandpa was holding the ice candies. Ice cream tintalla ellaru? Yes, burfin ice cream. It will be in this shape now. It comes near your house. You people eat it. Yes or no? Yes. So, grandpa had carried ice candies for all the people and they were enjoying for that. They were wearing straw hats, and grandpa and grandma, what they were wearing? They were wearing the straw hats. It will be in this shape and the design will be like this, my children. The crosswords, like line like this. Yes. So, it is called as the straw hat. Before Anita could smile at them, she saw two horses trotting towards them. When the grandpa and grandma, she saw both of them, they were wearing those straw hats. Then before she wanted to say something, she saw the two horses and they were trotting. Trotting means they were moving towards her. Yes, they were moving towards Anita. And what happened? Before Anita could smile at them, she saw two horses trotting towards them. Even the horses were wearing straw hats. Their hats had little holes for their ears to poke out. So the horses, what they had worn the hats, even the two horses also they had worn the straw hats, and their hats had little holes for their ears to poke out. And then the horses, they had the little holes because the ears of the horse are big. They stand like this way. Yes, they stand like this way, children. Then they can't fold it. So the hats were made holes both the side so that airs can come outside. Not hairs, ears. Their ears can come outside from the hat. Anita smiled. Look, Johnny, even your grandparents are coming to meet you. Then what Anita will tell to that small toy horse? Yes, the horse also was small and the name for that horse was Johnny. Then when Anita met her grandfather, then she saw her grandparents had worn the straw hats. Then the two horses came towards her trotting, and what they had worn? Even they had worn the straw hats. Then looking at them, Anita is telling to this toy horse, Johnny, look, Johnny, even your grandparents have come to meet you. Nini grandparents ನಿನಗೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಆ ಕುದುರೆಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. She ran towards her grandparents and gave them a hug. Then what Anita did? When she saw her grandparents, and suddenly she started running very fast and she went and gave a big hug to her grandparents, a tight hug to her grandparents. That night, as grandma came to kiss her good night, she brought with her a very small straw hat with holes. It was for Johnny, his very own straw hat. Yes. Then the day spent, they had already visited in the evening. Then she met all her grandparents, they spoke to everyone and they had their dinner. After having the dinner at night, what you do? You go to sleep. Then same like that only, Anita also, she was sleeping with her toy horse Johnny. Then suddenly grandma will come into the room. For what the grandma had come? The grandma came to kiss her good night. For what grandma had come? The grandma came her to kiss her good night in her room. As she brought with her a very small straw hat with the holes. Then when grandma had come to wish good night, she had not come alone. With her, she had brought a small hat. A small hat. That hat was having 2 holes here. What it was having? 2 holes. For what? It was for Johnny. For the small toy horse. She had brought a small hat for the small toy horse which was having a holes. His very own straw hat. Yes, the hat, Johnny was having its own straw hat now. Anita was very happy. Thank you, Grandma. And Johnny says he loves his straw hat. Then what she says to the grandma? Thank you, Grandma. She says thank you for her grandma. For what she says thank you, children? Because she says that the Johnny, he liked this hat very much. He liked this hat very much. He loves his straw hat. Then she says, he loves this straw hat. Now Anita wanted to live with her grandparents forever and Johnny nodded his head in agreement. Then after that Anita, she said she wants to live with her grandparents only. But Johnny, he nodded his head. He said no. He said no, I don't want to live here. I don't want to live here. He started the agreement. Agreement andre ondsappa vaada vivada. He said no. So like this way they had a very good relation, who? Anita and Johnny. Yes, this was the small lesson, children, that I have completed for you people. Read this lesson 2 times, 3 times till you get perfect. And then I will send you the new words and question answers with the help of the app. Yes, children. Thank you, children. Have a great day.